Are all group fitness classes the same?
Group fitness is more popular than ever, but not all classes are created equal. From high-intensity intervals to gentle yoga flows, each style offers unique benefits and caters to different fitness goals. In this guide, we'll explore popular group fitness formats, revealing how they differ and helping you find the best fit for your body and lifestyle.
High-intensity interval training, HIIT classes.
HIIT classes combine bursts of intense activity with short rest periods. These workouts typically feature exercises like jumping jacks, sprints, and bodyweight moves. The main benefits include calorie burning, improved cardiovascular health, and time efficiency. However, HIIT can be physically demanding, making it best suited for those seeking a challenge and accustomed to moderate activity.
Yoga and mind-body classes.
Yoga and other mind-body classes focus on flexibility, balance, and breath control. These sessions often involve postures, stretching, and relaxation techniques. Benefits include reduced stress, increased mobility, and better body awareness. Yoga can be gentle or challenging and is accessible to most people regardless of fitness level or age.
Cycling and spin classes.
Indoor cycling, or spin classes, provide an energizing cardio workout on stationary bikes. Guided by motivating instructors and music, participants control their own resistance levels. Cycling classes improve cardiovascular endurance, strengthen legs, and burn calories. They're low impact, making them a great option for those with joint concerns or looking for a heart-pumping workout.
Strength training and bootcamp classes.
And boot camps emphasize building muscular strength using weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises. Classes often marry intensity and formats, keeping workouts fresh. Benefits include increased muscle tone, better metabolism, and improved bone density. Boot camp classes may also incorporate HIIT or partner drills, providing a social and varied training experience.
Choosing the right group fitness class for you.
No single group fitness class suits everyone. Consider your goals, preferences, and physical abilities. For stress relief and flexibility, yoga or Pilates may be ideal. For heart health and intensity, try HIIT or cycling. To build strength, look for boot camp or resistance training classes. Mixing different styles can keep workouts fun and help you reach a well-rounded level of fitness.